Good afternoon. My name is Robin and this is my channel. And today I have a TheraBox unboxing. I got this box for a while and probably about a year ago or so I canceled it because I was just getting so many beauty products I just couldn't keep up. And they emailed me an offer that I couldn't refuse. I think I got the box for like $30-something. So I'm like, I'll give it a try again. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like my channel and its content, please hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like this video or its content. And if you're returning, thank you, thank you, thank you. So I going to be moving out of the Washington home. We sold the property, so we have like 8 days, 10 days to pack everything up. So I'm picking up clothes and shoes, and I know Barbara from BC Cells can relate because she recently moved and she's living out of boxes. So it's just so tough to get organized. So I'll be filming probably like 3 videos in a day, so I'll probably be looking the same. So forgive me, forgive me. So let's get into this TheraBox. You can get it monthly. I think you might even be able to sign up for it quarterly or annually, so you just don't get inundated with, with lifestyle boxes. So this one is Slumber, and I'm not sure if that's why I chose it, but between traveling and packing, I really could use a good night's sleep. So let's see what we got. Of course, they pack it up very nicely, and I think you can even enter to win a free box by taking a picture of your box once you've opened it and post it to their Instagram site. So there's always ways to win free boxes of certain things, like, you know, with your BoxyCharm, if you do referrals, you can win free points. And with this box, I remember tons of these little, I don't even know what you call them. I leave a trail every time I open a box. So Dennis always knows when I've opened a box. So the first item that I pulled out is Grace and Stella Let's Just Sleep. And it's a sleep mask. So I'm going to try to open it. I did get a little organized because everywhere I go, I keep a scissors for the packing. So let's see what the sleep mask. I don't know if they have it here in the box. Oh, yes they do. Now I just have to find it. I also remembered to bring glasses. I'm still trying to figure out what prescription I need for my blind old eyes. And Stella Hot and Cool Gel Bead Eye Mask. Is that what this is? Yes, it is the Hot and Cool Gel Bead Eye Mask. So how awesome is that? I gotta take these off because I don't think they're the right prescription. And wow, this is what it looks like. So I guess you could microwave it or put it in the freezer, and it's got this cute little card attached to it. Maybe it's got, oh, it's got the little code thing so that you can look it up. So the directions are on here, but how cool is that? So you can probably again, microwave it or put it in the freezer. And I don't know if I could sleep with this all night, but that is an awesome item. And then we have the Natural Mint and Eucalyptus Night Cream. And they come very nicely wrapped so that you can't just get into it. And I am box challenged, so let's get into it. And the weather here in Eastern Washington has cooled down. We're like in the 60s and probably 30s or 40s at night. So I can't wait to get back to Arizona, even though I hear it's like 100. So this is what that looks like, and I will use this, so I'm gonna open it. Wow, you can smell the mint in it. So it's a creamy night oil. And then we got, oh, a can of something. This is Moment, and drink your meditate or motivation. Take glasses. Yeah, these glasses just are not the right prescription, so I'm gonna have to go back. So, drink your meditation. Hibiscus, dragon fruit, botanical water, 0 caffeine, 0 sugar added. So, I'm thinking you drink this before you go to sleep. So I have to read up more on that, but that's kind of cool. I've never seen anything like that. Then we received Fuel Moon bath bomb set. And I bet you that's nice and relaxing. And since my daughter's coming in town, she loves these. So they will be going to her. And then we received Multivitamin sleeping mask. And I do use these. I have several of them, and they go on pretty thin. And they don't go on your pillow. So I do enjoy these sleeping masks. So I will use that. And then we have something by Batch, Dream. And this is 1,000 CBD full spectrum tincture. I don't know. I haven't tried the stuff with the CBD oil in it. I'm not too sure. If any of you have used it, let me know what you think of it. It's just, I'm not sure about that. But this, look at the bottle. The bottle's pretty nice, and it's got the dropper on there. It says Dream 1,000 plus milligrams, and it comes in this cool little case. I am not sure if I am going to use it. I do like the little case though. I'll read up more on it, but I guess it's going to help you sleep. A couple more items in here. And this is Essence Self-Care Essential Oil Nasal Diffusers. So it's definitely geared towards your sleeping. And then there's this big item at the bottom of the box. Have the best evening and sleep of your life. Sleep and evening routine sidekick. Oh, it's a journal. So it's this nice journal. It's science-based daily progress. We do get a lot of journals in boxes. If it's a blank journal, I will use it. If it's filled with things that you have to fill out, I don't use those. So let's see what's in here. Has anybody else received this box? I do watch people that have received TheraBox, but I don't think I've watched anybody that's got this sleeping. Okay. It's got a sticker, Habits Nest, and it's a routine book. So one would have to read this, and I'd have to get better glasses, and it's just an evening routine. So you do have to fill out some of the parts, and it's really kind of cool if you're into this kind of I guess doing a journal or whatever. your daily challenges, tips, tips on showering, how to lay down, maybe a little yoga in there. I will never use this. I will not read it because I just won't. So if anybody wants this journal, comment below and I can do a little giveaway with this journal. It's really nice. It's a really nice book. Again, I just wouldn't reach for using this, and I would hate to waste this journal, but it's really nice, and it's purple. And then, yeah, there's parts that you fill in, but I just won't use it. So leave a comment below if you're interested in this journal. But overall, this was a great box for sleeping. I think that's why I ordered this particular one, and they had a good discount code. So, yeah, I will investigate what this does. I probably will not use it. I will use the sleep mask, and bombs will go to my daughter, and I will use this sleeping mask, and I'm anxious to try this. I'm going to read up on it to see if it's something you take at night to help you sleep. So, yeah, I think I ordered it off of Cratejoy, so you can go to Cratejoy or you can go to TheraBox. But yeah, there were quite a few items in here, and yeah, so I'm excited to try some of them. So thank you so much for watching and spending time with me, and you guys have an awesome day.